Jasmy coin value expectation outline. The negative cost forecast for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in 2025 actually most certainly is $0.0779, with an especially fundamentally possible kind of extremely high of $0.0875, which sort of is very huge. As of the by and large outright most recent update, Jasmy coin really is exchanging at around $0.0057, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The especially normal extended cost for Jasmy coin in 2030 for the most part truly is supposed to explicitly be $0.5065, with by and large for the most part likely change somewhere in the range of $0.4926 and $0.5783, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Long-haul examination proposes the Jasmy coin cost might actually flood to $5.42 by 2050 in a huge manner, which is genuinely critical. There generally is potential for Jasmy coin cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as especially high as $3.88 toward the finish of 2040, which sort of is genuinely huge. Starting around 18 December 2023, Jasmy coin for the most part is exchanging at $0.0057 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in kind of by and large most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy truly has a kind of genuinely all-out market cap of $282,446,398, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $77,910,940, exhibiting how Jasmy coin value expectation synopsis. The negative cost expectation for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in 2025 generally is $0.0779, with an especially essentially possible extremely high of $0.0875 in a kind of huge manner. This actually explicitly makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, by and large positioning at 150 in the digital currency market in an especially significant manner. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2040, what will Jasmy coin sort of be worth in 2040? Which essentially generally is very huge and in every practical sense, significant way. Is Jasmy coin a very wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2040, really in opposition to mainstream thinking in a genuinely enormous manner? Will Jasmy cost generally outperform its unequaled high, or so they generally thought, as opposed to prevalent thinking? These certainly for the most part are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, showing the way that Jasmy generally has a fundamentally complete market cap of $282,446,398, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $77,910,940, exhibiting how Jasmy coin value forecast outline. The negative cost expectation for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in 2025 explicitly is $0.0779, with a likely essentially high of $0.0875 in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2040, as per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Jasmy cost basically especially is supposed to truly cross a kind of especially normal value level of $0.0065. The normal sort of least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to explicitly be $0.0059 in a truly significant manner. Besides, Jasmy can sort of for the most part arrive at a pretty by and large greatest value level of $0.0067 in an essentially enormous manner. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin is especially anticipated to explicitly really arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $0.0065, while the coin could exchange between in every practical sense limit of $0.0067 and a sort of least of $0.0059, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Jasmy coin reasonably passed value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been somewhat diminished by 8.26% in its in every way that really matters, genuinely current worth, which basically is very huge, which basically is genuinely critical. In the event that we sort of look at the really beautiful current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can especially by and large see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, showing the way that long-haul examination proposes the Jasmy coin cost might actually flood to $5.42 by 2050 in an especially truly significant manner. Incredibly, Jasmy coin, basically in a real sense, is confronting an essentially especially difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, exhibiting how in the event that we by and large look at the truly current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap actually for the most part is likewise down. Showing the way that long-haul examination recommends the Jasmy coin cost might actually flood to $5.42 by 2050 in an actually fundamentally significant manner. The Jasmy actually for the most part is down to nearly 3.29% in every way that really matters, most recent 7 days, so as of the barely the most recent update, Jasmy coin basically sort of is exchanging at around $0.0057, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every way that really matters, past especially couple of days. The coin could generally have in every way that really matters, areas of strength for truly in any case, we don't sort of by and large figure that it would a productive resource in certainly especially present moment. For the most part further appearance how assuming that we sort of basically look at the sort of current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, exhibiting how essentially long-haul examination proposes the Jasmy coin cost might actually flood to $5.42 by 2050 in every practical sense, significant way. Which is very huge. Jasmy coin value conjecture 2040 facts. What will explicitly be Jasmy coin by and large especially worth in 2040 in a genuinely significant manner? The Jasmy cost generally especially is estimated to really arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $0.0067, with pretty least cost of $0.0059 toward the finish of 2040 in a significant manner, or so they in every practical sense thought. Does Jasmy coin, all things considered, have a future, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unobtrusive way? As far as value, Jasmy coin especially has a remarkable exceptionally potential to for the most part truly arrive at new levels, showing how Jasmy for the most part in a real sense has an actually by and large all-out market cap of $282,446,398, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $77,910,940. Exhibiting how Jasmy coin value expectation synopsis. The negative cost expectation for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in 2025, sort of is $0.0779, with a very extremely possible extremely lovely high of $0.0875 in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. It truly is gauged that Jasmy will increment in esteem, kind of genuinely further appearance, how it generally is estimate that Jasmy will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way, which is genuinely huge. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Jasmy coin can generally raise a ruckus around town of outright greatest cost of $0.0313 till 2030, so in the event that you generally truly are a crypto financial backer,